Since its founding in 1987, CREOL has made many achievements, including graduating more than 600 graduate degrees. Faculty have published 28 books, more than 2,000 papers, and faculty had 250 inventions, patents, as well as 23 spin-offs.
CREOL has been a balance between fundamental science and engineering applications, a blend between inventions and discoveries.
Recent accomplishments of the faculty here at CREOL include spectacular successes.
So last year, we created the shortest laser pulses, 67 attosecond, and we are still pushing that front. Eventually, we want to take a real-time movie of electron moving. We have not done that yet, so this is the next frontier.
What I try to do is to take these semiconductor laser devices and make extremely short bursts of light, femtosecond optical pulses, and I try to make these pulses extremely robust and clean. So I've been able to make optical pulse trains, bursts of light that come out the laser at about 10 billion pulses per second, and with a timing and accuracy of about a few hundred attoseconds over a 1 second period.
My research here encompasses different aspects of light-matter interaction. So the light can not only push, but can also pull objects when the objects are placed in the right environment, namely at the interface, at a dielectric interface. What we have demonstrated is that the presence of this dielectric interfaces changes completely the situation and allows more flexibility in generating these kind of interactions.
What we do here in the lab ends up in the public with many different companies, small and large. In the state of Florida, there are more than 270 photonics companies forming a cluster, and we have contributed to these companies in many different ways.
Foundation of our company was the technology developed here at UCF, actually at the College of Optics, and then OptiGrade was founded to commercialize this technology, so which we successfully did in the last 10 years.
Many of our graduates are in regional companies like Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman, Harris Corporation, as well as companies that are being spun out. And most recently, we had a company that funded a $250,000 project back to the university to support more research here at UCF. It's a full cycle. We create a technology, the technology is spun out to a company, the company obtains some success, they need the research experience of the university and the expertise of the faculty and the students, so they give us a contract to do more research.
CREOL faculty earned countless prestigious awards and recognitions for research and development, including 3 R.W. Wood Prizes. In 2012, for inventing the Z-scan technique. In 2011, for inventing the Airy beam. And in 2003, for inventions and discoveries in nonlinear optics. Researchers also received the Max Born Award for discoveries on optical phase conjugation, the Holonyak Award for inventions in oxide-confined and quantum dot vertical cavity surface-emitting lasers, and the Fraunhofer-Burley Award for prolific inventions in LCDs. Faculty members have also pioneered work on LIBS and thulium photonic crystal fiber lasers, while the junior faculty has recently invented a method for fabricating structured nanoparticles using optical fibers, developing plasmonic nanolaser technology, pioneering contributions to mid-infrared photonic devices on silicon, and developing laser-grade ceramic material.
About 1987, we set out on a journey to create the third major optics and photonics center in the U.S. I think that everybody will agree that we were successful in that attempt. That CREOL and the College of Optics and Photonics is now nationally, internationally recognized as one of the major centers of intellectual activity in the discipline of optics and photonics.